Automatic signal generator. In live market, it will generate calls like a signal. Today it's a Friday market, June 14 market open. From opening, it's a downside direction, but after 10 o'clock, buy call generator, green color candle open. Like this, automatically, it will generate the calls like a signal. Right now, you are watching the video now. Like this, daily, you will watch this chart. You will get the calls like a signal. According to this calls signal, you can do trade like manual trading, auto trading also possible. You will get the entry point, target and stop loss. Through this, you can do the trade. If you want to subscribe for the chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. On daily basis, we are uploading how it works in YouTube. So coming back to the call, it's a June 14th market, Friday market. We are watching in Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. At 10 o'clock, the call came. The call came at 49,958. That straight white line from green candle. That is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So the first target range is more than 100 point momentum. The entry is 49,958. First target is 50,083. So it's more than a 120 point first target range. Like this, daily, automatically, it will generate the calls. Through this call entry, you can do the trade. Within 10 minutes of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target. Like this, today call generated and break out the target. From opening, it's a continuous bullish momentum. From first candle, it break out 90 point momentum. After a up and down momentum, it break out the first target. And continuous bullish direction, market was going in upper side direction only. Like this, today call generated and performed really well. If you want to subscribe for the chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.